Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify color managed delivery using Resolve and Rec.709 targets, full guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Import your footage into the media pool. Go to the color page. Set your timeline color space to Rec.709. To do this, right-click on your project in the media pool and select Project Settings. Navigate to the Color Management tab. Under Color Science, choose DaVinci Color Managed. For timeline color space, select Rec.709. Click Save to apply the setting. Next, drag your clip onto the timeline. Select the clip in the timeline. Open the color page and review the clip. Navigate to the Scopes panel located at the top right corner. Select the waveform monitor to analyze your clip's brightness levels. Ensure the waveform shows the data within the Rec.709 range. If necessary, adjust the contrast to fit within this range. Now, add a Rec.709 reference target. You can find various Rec.709 target images online, then import one into your media pool. Drag the reference target onto the timeline above your footage. Select the reference target clip. Open the color page again. Use the color wheels to match the color of your footage to the Rec.709 target. Pay close attention to the skin tones, highlights, and shadows. Switch to the comparison mode to view both clips side by side. Adjust the footage colors as necessary until they closely match the reference target. Use the color picker tool to evaluate specific colors in both clips. Make any further adjustments to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, render your project. Go to the Deliver page. Select the desired output format. Ensure the output color space is set to Rec.709. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.